popping?
Hope you guys are good. It's your favorite DJ Apex, and you know, guys, I'm not alone. I'm with my baby.
It is your girl, Lady Ann. You know what it is.
Oh yeah. And it's what's popping time, and we're pushing the show. We are now on episode 8. Going to episode 10 very soon. So yeah, keep on subscribing and watching the previous episodes as well as number of vlogs now. So we're gonna mention our socials at the end of the show, so please stay with us, guys. So let's get straight to the first segment of the show. So Uzaba Bafetu is known as the multi-platinum winning artist. Wasipana noThukzini kuPlani. Yeah, so Uzaba kahle istudio sakhe bafethu got struck by lightning.
Guys, this is so weird. This is so weird. Kanjani nje.
Kanjani.
Yeah, this is so heartbreaking, guys. This is so heartbreaking.
Yeah, bafethu abanestudio bafethu malishaya izulu bafethu cimana ama-PC bafethu. Cimana ama-PC. Lento yokufosta le akusizi.
Because yabona manje le mvula imoshe izinto eziningi guys, imoshe izinto eziningi yabo. So immediately nje mase icala iduma yenza lezi zinto zayo ama-lightning stuff, cima yonke into ube right. Usazoqhubeka it's not like lizona iviki lonke lingastophi.
Yeah, true bafethu. Yeah, bafethu. For your safety equipment, please just do that bafethu, man. Alright, let's get to another segment. This song gonna go bafethu bafethu. Like, we just wanna send condolences to the families. So Unacho bafethu lost his father. So sad. And then within a week, Sticks also lost his father as well. So as a film as big so we're just trying to send out condolences to both families. Even Unacho and the Sticks, they've been giving us like so many soulful songs. I wish this time Luis Katsa would like to heal, because they've given us music or heality. So I heal at this time, you know.
So sad.
Alright, let's get to another segment. On Piano Pulse. Piano Pulse recently. Please watch the recent episode.
Please, guys.
Yeah, he's correcting a few things. Piano Pulse.
Yeah.
Check in. Yeah. Okay, last Big Friday, Mrs. Aurora Girls, they were doing a Valentine's event. So the Timin Express Foundation was doing a school tour. So it happened that the Timin Express, into Mr. Nation, Isa, you name it, was performing Ramnandi. So the performances were the best.
Yeah, guys, Begumnandi, like if I be so we like sithathena content, guys, continue to engage on our social media platforms, guys. We are posting to all social media platforms, guys.
Yep.
So if you want to see that content, sizokutshengisa ama social media platforms ethu video mayiphela, guys. So that uzokhona ukuya Facebook, TikTok, also on YouTube.
Yep. Alright, Bafit. So this is the conclusion of the show, ne? I'm gonna start off by Lady Ann. So the main channel for What's Poppin', it's Lady Ann on YouTube, and then the other main channel, it's Apex Wave Studios. And then I think she's gonna mention the other social networks that she has.
On Facebook, Nompendulo Msibi, username Nompendulo Msibi.
Yeah.
And then on TikTok, Lady Ann Nompendulo.
Lady Nompendulo.
Sorry, Lady Nompendulo. And also on TikTok, Lady Nompendulo.
Yeah,
Facebook Nompendulo, IG Lady Nompendulo, and also on TikTok, Lady Nompendulo.
Oh yeah. On IG it's DJ Apex _ and then on TikTok it's Spacey Lingwenya, as well as on Facebook Spacey Lingwenya. Yeah, and then obviously the main channel of it, I already mentioned it, it's Apex Wave Studios. So DJ Apex _ on IG, Basically on TikTok and Facebook. Yeah, so please keep with us, guys, because we got the best content for you guys.
It is coming, so nje ungaphuthelwa.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Danke, Wafit.
Love you.